Struggling with digestive discomfort? You're not alone. Millions worldwide battle issues like acid reflux, indigestion, and IBS, with nearly 20% of US adults experiencing weekly flare-ups. But could a simple, natural remedy like star anise tea be the answer? This ancient spice is making waves for its potential to soothe the stomach and support digestion. But did you know that there are actually two different types of star anise, and one you should probably stay away from? Have you heard about the health benefits of star anise? What makes star anise so powerful inside our cells? Curious to know if it really works? In today's video, we're diving into the science behind star anise tea and its potential health benefits, what its components are, its real effects on your body, and whether it truly brings all those benefits, and learn how to make it the right way, plus what to watch out for. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends and family. Do you have any gastrointestinal issues? Let us know how it worked for you in the comments. Lisa, a 42-year-old project manager living in Chicago, has always led a very active life. However, in recent months, she began to suffer from digestive problems that were affecting her quality of life. Between meetings, deadlines, and managing her team, Lisa began to realize that something wasn't right. Her digestion became slow and uncomfortable, with frequent episodes of bloating and a feeling of heaviness in her stomach after meals. These symptoms were accompanied by a nighttime cough that started subtly but intensified over time. At first, Lisa thought the cough was related to the dry winter weather, but she soon began to suspect that there might be a connection to her digestive problems, especially since the abdominal discomfort seemed to worsen before bedtime. The first signs and the decision to change. Lisa began to notice that, in addition to the physical discomfort, her productivity and emotional well-being were being impacted. The frequent bloating and feeling of malaise made her feel tired and irritable. Determined to find a natural solution, Lisa began researching alternatives that could help her improve her digestion and perhaps resolve the cough that bothered her so much. It was then that a friend suggested she try star anise tea, known for its digestive and calming properties. Although Lisa was initially skeptical, she was willing to try anything to feel better. She decided that she would drink a cup of star anise tea every day after dinner and observe if it would make any difference. The first cup of star anise tea. On the first day, Lisa prepared her first cup of star anise tea. She used 1 star anise per cup of boiling water and let the infusion steep for a few minutes. The sweet and welcoming aroma filled the kitchen, and the slightly sweet and comforting flavor immediately pleased her. That night, after drinking the tea, Lisa felt a slight sense of relief in her stomach, but she didn't expect major changes so quickly. The next morning, she noticed something interesting. The feeling of heaviness in her stomach, which usually persisted until the next day, was less pronounced. Although the cough hadn't disappeared, it seemed less intense. Lisa began to wonder if the star anise tea could really be starting to take effect. The evolution of symptoms throughout the week. In the following days, Lisa continued to drink star anise tea after dinner. Gradually, she began to notice more noticeable changes in her digestion. The bloating sensation that had bothered her for months decreased significantly. Meals became less uncomfortable, and digestion seemed to occur more smoothly and quickly. Lisa began to feel lighter and more energetic, something she hadn't experienced in a long time. Furthermore, the nighttime cough, which was a major concern, continued to diminish. Lisa started having more peaceful nights of sleep without being awakened by the irritation in her throat. This improvement in sleep had a positive impact on her mood during the day, increasing her productivity and improving her mood. The science behind star anise. Curious to understand how star anise tea was providing these benefits, Lisa decided to research the science behind this spice. She discovered that the main active compound in star anise is anethole, an essential oil with carminative and anti-inflammatory properties. Anethole helps relax the muscles of the digestive tract, facilitating the passage of food and reducing the formation of gases, which is one of the main causes of bloating. Studies show that anethole also has antispasmodic properties, which means it can help reduce spasms in the stomach and intestines, providing significant relief for those who suffer from chronic digestive discomfort. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, which may explain why Lisa started to feel less discomfort and bloating. Regarding the nighttime cough, Lisa discovered that acid reflux caused by digestive problems could be one of the culprits. Stomach acid that flows back into the esophagus can irritate the throat and cause coughing, especially when lying down. By improving digestion and reducing reflux, star anise tea may have contributed to reducing the nighttime cough, something Lisa experienced directly. Scientific studies on star anise. To support her findings, Lisa found several scientific studies that validate the benefits of star anise. A study published in the Journal of Evidence-Based Integrative Medicine explored the use of star anise in traditional medicine, highlighting its digestive and antimicrobial properties. The research indicated that anethole is effective in reducing digestive symptoms, such as bloating and indigestion, by improving the peristaltic movement of the intestine and aiding in the elimination of gases. Another study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology investigated the effect of star anise on gastrointestinal disorders and concluded that star anise tea could be an effective intervention for conditions such as stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers are sores that develop in the lining of the stomach due to the erosion of the protective mucus layer, often caused by excess stomach acid. For example, an animal study observed that star anise reduced acid secretion in the stomach, helping to prevent the formation of these ulcers and protecting stomach cells from damage. However, research on the effects of star anise on stomach ulcers is still quite limited, and further studies are needed to understand how it can impact ulcer formation and symptoms in humans. These studies reinforced Lisa's confidence in star anise tea and motivated her to continue with the habit of drinking it daily. The benefits become evident. Throughout the week, the positive effects of star anise tea only became more evident. In addition to increasingly better digestion, Lisa noticed that her overall mood was high. She woke up more rested and with renewed energy, ready to face the day. That bothersome nighttime cough, which used to accompany her every night, practically disappeared, allowing her to enjoy a peaceful and uninterrupted sleep. With this relief came a new sense of well-being, and Lisa soon began recommending star anise tea to friends and family who also faced digestive problems. But the benefits didn't stop there. Lisa discovered that star anise tea also has antioxidant, anti-cancer, antibacterial, antifungal, analgesic, and sedative properties. Important considerations and risks about the use of star anise. Star anise tea can be an excellent ally for health, but it's important to remember that the key is moderation. Keep an eye on the variety. Not all star anise is the same. The Chinese variety is the safe one for consumption, while the Japanese variety is toxic and should be avoided. Therefore, when buying, always check where the spice comes from. Japanese star anise contains powerful neurotoxins that can cause severe physical symptoms, such as seizures, hallucinations, and nausea. Visually, Japanese star anise closely resembles its Chinese counterpart, and some commercial sources of Chinese star anise have been found to be contaminated with the Japanese variety. There have also been reports of severe, potentially life-threatening reactions in infants, likely due to unintentional contamination with Japanese star anise. As a result, it's recommended to avoid giving star anise to infants and children. What is the right amount? Like any natural remedy, excessive use can bring unwanted effects. 1 cup a day is enough to enjoy the benefits without problems. And never forget, before starting any natural treatment, it's always good to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any pre-existing medical conditions. With a little care and moderation, star anise can be a great helper to maintain good health and a more balanced life. 1 week, 1 tea, 1 transformation. It seems like magic, but it was Lisa's real experience with star anise tea. Her digestion, which was once a problem, greatly improved, and the nighttime cough simply disappeared. The tea became part of her routine, helping to improve her health in a natural and complete way. Lisa's story shows us that sometimes discomforts that we consider normal, like a nighttime cough, can be signs of something bigger, like a digestive imbalance. By taking care of the cause of the problem, instead of just masking the symptoms, she achieved a more balanced health. If this video helped you out, why not give it a quick like and share it around? It could really help someone else looking after their overall health. Have you ever tried star anise tea? If so, share your experience. If not, why not give it a try? Nature offers us a complete pharmacy, and star anise is just one of its wonders. Drop a comment and let's chat about it. If you want to stay in the loop with more health tips, just hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We release new videos every week. Your likes and comments really keep us going. They show us what you want to see more of. And before you go, check out these 2 videos we selected specially for you. I think you'll love them. Have an awesome day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.